Hi everybody, this is Barton Rubenstein, co-founder of the Mother Earth Project. Today I want to share with you some very powerful video clips from parachute communities all over the world. These communities have been decorating their parachutes, marching and striking with them, taking them to their local politicians to demand better climate laws, and also planning and doing sustainable actions together as communities. This is very exciting, and I'm really hoping that you enjoy these short little clips.
Nettoie Didier.
Climate! Climate!
It's Alec Baldwin here. I would like to nominate Callan Benson for your award. I recently met her at the United Nations Environmental Program Champions of the Earth. She's responsible for the Parachutes for the Planet and Fridays for the Future programs. She's a young environmental leader who I think is very worthy of your recognition.
Amagambo agiye muri kamera.
Think of Kathy from Canada, who with dozens of parachutes displayed at the Canadian Parliament was part of the change when its government recently passed carbon pricing legislation holding polluters responsible for their actions. What do we want? Climate action! When do we want it? Now! Our lives! Our lives! Give a round of applause. Thank you all!
We're here, and the parachutes are everywhere. The parachutes are everywhere, surrounding the Pope.
Come on, Connor, and then we'll do one more of the films, Connor. 300 years later.
Our parachutes are sent to us from our friend Barton Rubenstein, a co-founder of Mother Earth Projects. And let's go through them. We have about 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Voto por un clima vivible. ¡Viva México!